Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix update requested on iPhone iOS 17. For example, if you have a latest iOS update and you want to download and install the update, and for this what you have to do, you have to simply go to setting, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general, and if you click on software update and you see a latest update on your iPhone, and if you click on update now, after giving passcode, you see that update request option is available. So here you can see that update requested option is available. So how you can fix that? For this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and the first thing you have to check whether you have proper data connection or Wi-Fi connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, you have to make sure that you restart your Wi-Fi and router, and you have to check it is now working properly. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go for the setting, and after that you have to go back, and here what you have to do, you have to go to general, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting your all network setting, you have to make sure that your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply restart or reboot your iPhone, and after restarting your iPhone, you have to check again whether your problem has been solved or not. So for this we have to go for the general, and again you have to click on software update, and you have to simply check for update. As you can see now, your update has been started downloading. So after it has stopped downloading, you can simply go for the updates and install your update and enjoy your iPhone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.